that I'm here right now, just getting in a cloud. Oh wow, I'm here right now with you. Oh wow, oh wow.
Hey sisters, ASAP Yana here, and I know you're wondering, why does her voice not match what she's saying in the video? And that's because voiceover Yana's back and y'all have to deal with me. So what you're watching right now is me dancing so that I can have enough time to do the intro, and I did pretty well, you know. So today's video is going to be an updated skincare routine because the last one was cringy, and the new one, I have a whole new routine now. Well, I mean, essentially the same thing, but new products, you know, new products. So yeah, today I'm going to show you my updated skincare routine, and I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, okay sis, you still dancing. Okay. Okay, here's where I start. Boom, I'm in this hoe. Boom, I'm ugly as hell. Okay, so boom, this is my head ass way of saying turn on your water, bitch. Then I get my black soap and my oatmeal soap, and now I'm dancing again to tell you guys where I got it from. So I got my soap from a natural hair convention thingy, so I don't know if you guys can get the exact same soap, but in the description I'll leave something very similar so you guys can, yeah, y'all can be twinsies, you know. So first I use my black soap and I wet my face because you can't wash your face without wetting your face first, sis. Then I put the soap on my washcloth and I start scrubbing, and I know it looks like I'm scrubbing really hard, but I'm not. I have dry spots and I have to do that in order to exfoliate, you know. Boom. So I'm still washing my face. I'm still washing my face. Okay, bitch, hurry up. Hurry up now, sis. Okay, hurry up, sis. Okay, now I'm wiping the soap off with my wet washcloth that I washed all the soap off the washcloth, and now it's just water. And yeah. Okay, now I'm using my oatmeal soap and I'm applying that directly to my face because the oatmeal kind of exfoliates it too. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing for the next like minute or two. And my dog is barking in the back, so ignore that hoe. Okay, so now I'm using the washcloth to wipe off the oatmeal soap. Again, y'all just saw this 2 seconds ago. Okay, next step, sis. Hurry up. Don't have all the time in the world. Hurry up. Okay, so now I'm using witch hazel. And every time you see me make that face, it's like ironic. I'm not actually making that face. But anyway, I'm putting the witch hazel on the washcloth, as you can see, you know, boom, bang, bada boom, bada bomb. Okay, putting it on my face, and I put a whole lot on, so your girl had to fan before I put on my moisturizer, or else I would have been looking like a slip and slide. But yeah. So this is where you see me fanning my face because I was looking like a slip and slide. Now I'm using Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula on my face because I need to moisturize. Again, I get dry spots, so I need a thick THICC as moisturizer on my face so that I can keep my dry spots at bay for the day, you know. And I just spit a bar, you know. Nicki Minaj whom. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy, and now I'm just dancing again because I danced a whole lot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helps people for back to school. Stay rad, stay bad. Stealing Sarah Basker's outro. Okay, bye.
Going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard, please.